Welcome to part 12 of our Bootstrap in Web Form series. Today, we will learn how to customize Bootstrap's default theme by overriding styles with your own CSS to create a unique look for your web app. While Bootstrap provides a great default style, you often need to customize it to match your brand colors, fonts, or tweak spacing and sizes. Customization helps your app look professional and unique. Bootstrap styles are loaded first, followed by your custom CSS file. The browser applies CSS rules in order, so your custom styles will override Bootstrap's default if they come after the Bootstrap CSS. Include your custom CSS file after Bootstrap's CSS in your web forms projects, master page, or individual pages. This way, your styles take priority. For example, here we override the dot button primary buttons background and border colors to green instead of Bootstrap's default blue. We also customize the hover effect. You can change the global font size and color to fit your design style. Just override the body styles in your custom CSS. You can customize form inputs by changing border radius, colors, and focus effects to create a modern look that matches your theme. Bootstrap 5 supports CSS variables. You can override them in your custom CSS for easier theme customization. Always load your custom CSS after Bootstrap. Be specific with the selectors to avoid unintended overrides. Use exclamation importance sparingly. Test across devices and use developer tools to troubleshoot. Let me show you a live demo comparing a default Bootstrap styled page and one with custom CSS applied. Notice the new colors, fonts, and styles. To sum up, customizing Bootstrap with your own CSS helps create unique brand aligned interfaces. Always ensure your styles load last and test thoroughly. Next up, we will explore Bootstrap's powerful utility classes to quickly handle spacing, alignment, and visibility in your web forms layout. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment your questions and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next